Today we're going to try making dandelion coffee, and boy do we have a lot of them. So to make coffee you need the roots of the dandelion, and so I have a little tool that we're using here, but a screwdriver would work just as well. And you want to stab around the dandelion plant as deep as you can, and then pull very gently so you don't break the root. You want to keep as much root as you can. And I've got Caitlin out here helping me, and then Kaylee came out, and we ended up getting about half a basket of dandelions.
That's good.
Once inside, I went ahead and cut off the parts that I don't need. I just want the root. And then I washed them off real good, get all the dirt off of them, and then diced them up. And I tried to let that dry till they was completely dry, and then we put them on a tray and put them in the oven and set the oven around 200 degrees, and we just started off at 20 minutes and just kept checking it, and I think we ended up putting it in there for about 40 minutes total. So after they were baked, we went ahead and put them into the blender. We don't have a coffee grinder, and the blender didn't do as well as I had hoped in dicing them up and chopping it up, but we ended up making a pot of coffee with it anyway. So as you can see here, I have my coffee cup already doctored up, ready to go like I normally drink my coffee. And this is more light, and that could be because we weren't able to grind up the roots as much as I would have liked. But at the end of the day, when I sat there and drank it on the porch, I was pretty happy with it. Now, as far as the taste goes, it's not bad at all. And it does have a little bit of a bitter taste like coffee does. That's why I like to doctor mine up. But it has a completely different taste because it's got a walnut taste is the best way that I can describe it. So I am actually pretty happy with how it turned out, and this will probably be something that we do again. So don't let those dandelions go to waste. Be sure to get out there and make yourself a pot of dandelion coffee.